wow, it's at the end of the week and I'm feeling very confident that I've learned so much and I have so much to take back that I don't even know where to start.
And what I learned about myself as a digital literacy learner this week is that there are so many ways and avenues in which to build and grow as a learner through media literacy, digital literacy.
You know, I think that with digital tools and digital publishing tools, as much as you know, you never know it all. And so it's always fun to learn something else. Or even if you're familiar with it, you're like, oh, I never would have thought to have used it that way.
And then to just have all of these programs in the age of remote learning is just, I just can't believe like how blessed I am to be a part of this program at this time.
I appreciated time for anytime learning and having that time to reflect and process things on my own and take a look at additional resources. And
this conference has also given me the opportunity to take the first steps into turning my passion for news and media literacy into something real.
My partner and I created a project that I'm proud of, and that's something that we can take back and share with our staff.
And what I get to bring back to my office is a renewed sense of possibility.